Welcome. In front of me is a REDMI Pad 2 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and one of them should be the power saving mode. Now it will look like this right here, battery with a plus inside of it. When you click on it, it might first time around give you like a pop-up letting you know that battery saver will do such and such, but this usually shows up only once, if at all. Now as you can see, the second time around for me it just literally enables itself right away. So if you want to see what will be happening, you can hold this toggle and it will take you to the settings. Now in here you can see we have a don't wake screen for notifications, turn off when charged to 50% and above, and schedule time for switching between modes. These options are pretty limiting, to be honest, for power saving mode. So it looks like it doesn't really do anything extra than what power saving usually does in the background. And to kind of give you a little bit of a heads up of what it usually does in the background, usually what happens is when you enable power saving mode, it will turn off Wi-Fi and the mobile data, if the device has mobile data support, obviously. And it does this when you're not using the device. So if I were to lock it right now, after a certain moment of or period of inactivity, it will basically go and turn off Wi-Fi to preserve battery life. Now this will result in the device not getting notifications from apps that require internet connection, such as, for instance, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and basically anything else that you might be using. So obviously this will delay notifications or just not give them to you at all when you're not using the device, and when you start interacting with it, you could possibly just be getting all your notifications delivered to you in bulk. So this will be the power saving mode, usually just preserving the battery. Now once you're done with it, you can find this toggle, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. Or by default you can also plug in your device, charge it to above 50%, and it will automatically turn itself off. That also being said, if your battery is already at over 50%, when you enable it and you start charging it, this will continue to be enabled. So it only turns itself off if the battery falls below 50 and then begins charging and moves again above 50. Then it's going to automatically turn itself off. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.